I might regret it later, but who knows. Hey there Slayers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me doing a makeup routine that I used to do for a long time up until a couple of months ago, and I've changed it up completely. But before we jump into it, if you like this video, please give it a like down below, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Now for this video, I have not primed my face, I've not used moisturiser, I've not used anything on my face, because that's what I used to do. That's the only step I would encourage young makeup artists to do, and anybody to do, is to make sure you prep your face. You can use powders as well. Powders are very good, but I just prefer to use a different foundation now. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to swirl my brush in here, like this. Tap off the excess and brush it around my face. Okay, now you might be thinking, we all called the Scouse Slayer, and the reason why I'm called the Scouse Slayer is I loved watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer when I was a young child. Well, not young exactly, but it was in 1997 I started watching it properly in season 2, and I've loved it ever since. I was absolutely gutted when it ended in 2003, and I wish it was still out now. But it's not. My favourite character is Spike, obviously, because come on, he's the best one. But if you disagree, why don't you comment in the box below and tell me who your favourite character is, and we could have a conversation about that. But I was actually supposed to be going to Comic-Con in April, and it got cancelled because of COVID. And then James Masters cancelled as well. Okay, guys. So the lighting in here isn't very good, so when I've finished the whole thing, I will take a short little video that I will add on to the end of this in a different lighting, just to show you guys what it looks like and how quick this application process is. I can already feel, because I've not put any primer or moisturiser on my skin, that this powder is irritating my skin. So putting the powder on top of it isn't really going to be good for me. Okay, so that's the powder pretty much done. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the eyes. This is quite a basic look for me. I never used to be into makeup, but because of lockdown, I have decided that I wanted to get some productive in the time and furloughed, so I thought this would be a really good idea. I might regret it later, but who knows. So now I've got this bluey eyeshadow. It's not the exact same tone I used to use, but it's the closest one. It's like a bluey shimmery blue. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my whole brush into there like that, tap it off, make sure you get all the excess off, and then I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can see, like that, sweeping it on. Now I have got all the DVDs for Buffy. I have got all of Angel as well. Well, I'm not a big fan of Angel, to be fair. That's for personal reasons. As you can tell, I'm a Spike girl, so let's say no more about that. Okay, so I'm just sweeping it on like this. Not really caring where the mess goes. And then I'm going to do the other eye. Like this. My favourite season of Buffy was probably going to be season 5, for a lot of reasons. I think that was the turning point for Spike. I think that was when he became I wouldn't say more likable character, but he was more of a anti-hero. And then I fell in love with him for the first sight, really, to be fair. That's mainly because of James Master's stuff. So okay, all I did then was just pick the bit up, not like that. You can't really see in the camera. Just shut my eyes for a second. It looks absolutely horrendous. But there you go. So that's my eyeshadow. Pretty much done. Okay. So now I'm going to move on to the mascara. This isn't the exact one that I used when I was a teenager, but the one I've got now. So I'm going to use it. I might go a bit quiet and a bit fish face when I'm doing this, so I apologise. Okay. That's one eye completely done, but I'm not looking for perfection in this one because, hey, I'm a newbie to YouTube. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, that's the other eye done. Now, while we're waiting for that to dry, I just need to try and find my little lovely stick that I do. Just get all the clumps of mascara out, and I just don't know where it's gone. Oh, is it in this one or is it in the other one? Aha! Here we go, you little beauty. I got that many bags of makeup now. I don't know where to put it all. So here we go, guys. Finally found it. And my mascara is dry. I'm gonna make sure I get all the clumps out, okay? Just gently getting all the clumps out. Wow, I put too much mascara on this eye. Great. But that's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so now I've done my mascara, I am going to do my eyeliner. So I just put it in my waterline. Just like this. Oh, I already tell this is going to be bad. But hey ho. Well, let's roll with it. Okay, that's one eye done. Oh my god. What is going on today? Ah, that looks absolutely horrendous. But we're just going to roll with it. Okay. So, the last step is lip gloss. Let's gloss it up. Okay. And then I'm going to put a bit more on. And Bob's your uncle. That is me. Done with my old makeup routine. Ta-da! Well, I've really enjoyed doing this video. You might notice that it hasn't really taken me that long because I haven't contoured, I haven't highlighted, I haven't done my eyebrows. But I wanted to give you the full experience of how I used to do my makeup up until a couple of months ago. So this is finished product Slayers. As you can tell, I'm still quite blotchy on my face here. That's because I'm not wearing concealer. And classic Scouse Slayer. There's mascara on my eyelids. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!